Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna tour this luxury home in Lake Oswego, Oregon, built by a Renaissance home. This house has 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, just under 4,000 square feet, and it's listed for 3 million. We're gonna go inside in a second. This is a new construction home. You have a long driveway. You can easily fit here, I would say 4, maybe 6 cars in the driveway. And you have a small seating area here on the side for nice sunny days. You can sit and hang around here, have even your coffee morning, and enjoy seeing your beautiful house. Let's go check it out. As we walk in, you can see the big hallway with a tall ceiling, nice light fixtures. On the left side, you go upstairs. We're gonna go there in a second. And you have also an elevator inside your house. Right now it's going through a final inspection. You cannot go see it, but there's an elevator as well. That's a really cool office. I never saw something like that. Make your office behind the glass. Usually you're gonna have a wine cellar, but this is something really nice and unique. Now, of course, big open concept kitchen with a bar, wine fridge, lot of storage places, hidden fridge, big island, waterfall countertops, of course, high-end kitchen appliances as well. Over here you have the laundry room, good size, and the pantry. Look how much storage you have. Very big and convenient. Here you have a place to put your shoes and your coats. And this is the garage. 2-car garage, and you can fit another 4 or 6 cars in front of the house. Lots of parking space. And the dining area is really nice as well. Nice and cozy living space. Good place to entertain people, family, friends. Fireplace. And you get to see your full backyard, which is really nice views. You can watch your kids playing from here. And going out, you can actually open this whole window, and then you have one big full entertaining place, people to come in and go out as well. So that can be really good when the weather is nice outside. You can go downstairs from here as well to the backyard, and you have also ceiling heaters and a fan. So you can also come here in the winter and enjoy the outside as well. And you have also a fireplace, of course. Let's go upstairs now and check the primary bedroom, sorry. Again, elevator, right now it's having an inspection so we cannot see it, but it goes up and down. So On your left, this is the primary bedroom. Big size of a room. On the entrance, you have 2 closets. We all know who this closet is gonna be, right? And who's this closet is gonna be. But you have 2 closets here, which is good. You have a balcony. You can enjoy here morning coffee when the weather is nicer and you have pretty good views of the trees, which is really nice. And the bathroom. Big walk-in shower. You have also a step over there for like a sitting area. One more bedroom here with a full bath, really convenient, walk-in shower, and closet. Let's go downstairs now. This is really cool space downstairs. Overall, Renaissance building, really nice houses, good quality ones. Everything is up to date. So it's really nice to have something with them. And the elevator goes up, down, everywhere. Here you have like linen closet. Keep going, we have here another 2 bedrooms. One here on the right. With a walk-in closet. Full bathroom. Here you have another room, but you can make it, as you see, like a walkout room. You have a fan, built-in fan, big walk-in closet, and big nice wine cellar. And over here you have another entertaining area with kitchen, full kitchen inside, big island. You have dining area and a full living space, which can be a really good place to entertain people or have your kids have their friends over here, that they can kind of have like the privacy. And of course you have access to the outside here as well. This is your backyard. Very nice, peaceful, big. You have room to do a lot of stuff, play, entertain, enjoy back there sitting. You have some gardening places to do.